DALL-E is a generative AI model developed by OpenAI, named as a playful combination of the famous surrealist artist Salvador Dalí and the Pixar movie character DALL-E. It represents a different kind of artificial intelligence compared to the GPT series, focusing on generating images from textual descriptions rather than processing and generating text. Key features of DALL-E: image generation from text. DALL-E can create original images and art from a textual description. This involves interpreting the text and visualizing concepts, even highly abstract or surreal ones, as an image. Multimodal capabilities. The original DALL-E and its more advanced successor, DALL-E 2, can generate images that blend multiple concepts cohesively and convincingly. This includes the ability to understand and manipulate elements of images according to textual prompts, like changing the style of specific items in an image. Editing and inpainting. DALL-E 2 added the capability to modify specific parts of existing images based on text prompts, a process known as inpainting. This allows users to specify parts of an image to change while maintaining the style and realism of the original image. Zero-shot capabilities. The model can generate images from descriptions it has never specifically seen or been trained on during its initial training phase, showcasing its ability to generalize from its training data to new, creative tasks. DALL-E is part of a growing field of AI research focused on creative applications, enabling new forms of artistic and design expression. It is used for tasks ranging from generating artistic images and creating new product design concepts to aiding in educational materials and more. The model demonstrates how advanced AI systems can not only understand and process human language but also translate descriptive language into visual representations.